All right, this is the Milwaukee gift center. Yes, this is the gift center already dropped. These deals already at the stores and online. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you guys won't miss any of the future Black Friday deals, any of the holiday deals coming up. And all right, let's go ahead and get started. So yeah, nothing but Milwaukee on this video. I will be making more different brand videos and a special gift center video like a generic brand. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start here with some gift center items, and then we'll move on to the buy one get one free. All right, so this is the kind of like in the middle section here. So this is $2.99. It does include a circular saw, impact driver, drill driver, big battery, small battery, sander, light for $2.99. Supply 2 combo kit. However, these are not brushless tools. These are brush tools. These are the older style. They're still pretty good. It's still a pretty nice kit for a gift. But if you guys are into the heavy duty or heavy use and pro level, definitely suggest you guys go fuel. You got a 2-pack of combo there, 8 amp hour, 3 amp hour for $1.99. You got a hatchet and then a hatchet chain there. There's the hatchet kit or the hatchet by itself. My bad, not the kit. $24.97 for a 2-piece adjustable branch set. $39.97 for the 3-piece close quarters tubing cutter. So this is a kind of like a low profile tubing cutter. You can fit this pretty much anywhere and just get that cut going. And then you got the adjustable wrenches with the Milwaukee logo in the middle. That's how you can tell they're Milwaukee, right? $16.97 for the beanie and the hat. $19.97. $54.97 for the hoodie. So these are great materials. I don't know. I personally do not like wearing branded stuff unless it's my own brand, my own company. But I personally do not like wearing stuff like this. I know they're nice because we like the brand. Obviously, if you like the brand, you're gonna wear it. I might wear Milwaukee, so I don't know. What think about it? So $16.97 for the beanie. These are the gray color, and the hat. The hat material is pretty nice. I really like the hat material. It is enclosed on the back, so yeah, really nice. It's kind of like a stretch, a flex fit. And then you got these for the winter. We got brown and black. These are pretty nice too as well. And then yeah, Black Friday, guys. These are on sale, guys. If you guys go online, I don't know about the stores, but online you got $219 for this 3-pack set, guys. So definitely jump on those. I already posted them, but if you guys don't know about it, jump on it because they are really cheap and they will sell out. Trust me. So if you're in this line, you guys do the math here. $219 online already. So $179 each of these. I do have both of these, by the way. They're really great tools. This is really bright. It does charge your batteries. This is does give you a nice charge there. And then this is the vacuum. This is the pack out vacuum. This thing's a beast, guys. It's I mean, I put it through hell and back basically. You got the accessories here, the tip and the that is another tip there. That is the automotive vacuum toolkit. I personally think that this is a little bit overpriced. This is the way this thing looks. If you guys don't know what it is, if you guys walk into a depot, I will go on over in different videos each section, each brand, and the generic, the generic gift center deal. I will go into one whole video on that one. $39.97 for the whole dozer. Now this one's pretty good. It is an 8-piece. It's a 1.5, a 2-inch, 2 1/8, 2 1/4, 1 arbor, 3 pilot bits. So that's a very, very complete kit. I do have this from last year. I've used it a few times and it worked well. So $19.97 for the performance safety glasses. Those are my favorite, the ones on the left. Definitely check those out. The price is a little bit more than what I would pay. I would pay definitely around 14 or less. But yeah, these are my favorite to use on the job site, basically. The tinted is the one that I use because it's sunny here. $29.88 for the 120-piece impact duty set shockwave. So this does come with dual pieces here. And then it does include some drilling bits, some 1-inch bits, Robertson's, and then some more star bits, 2-inch, and some Robertson's there. some more stars, and 1-inch bits. So a whole bunch of bits there for 120 pieces, basically. Now this one does include a pack out, a half a pack out case. $49, just under 50 basically. You got 1-inch bits, some 2-inch bits there, and 3-inch and 4-inch bits. So definitely check it out. You get a double-sided bit there, a bit holder, and this is the way this section looks like. This is a Milwaukee section with the gift centers, the holiday deals. All right, so you got the N95 valve respirator. You got a 10-pack. I personally do not like these at all. That's just my personal. I think that you know, the chemicals and the dust that I go through, I can just feel it in my lungs. I have asthma, so you know, I wear the 3M. That's what I use, and that's what I like. There's some nice knee pads. $99, your choice here for these impact rated sockets, guys. These are really nice sockets. They do come in the case. So if you guys do mechanic work, you guys don't have those impact wrenches, those high torque impact wrenches, those mid torques. Definitely, these are the kits for you, and these are longer lasting markings. They are indented. This is the 43-piece metric NSAE 3/8 sets, and then they do have the half an inch. $149 for the ratchet kit. This is a 3/8 ratchet kit, and then you got the high torque impact wrench. However, this is the brushless, guys. Just keep in mind, it's not the fuel. So this is the half an inch socket set, 18 pieces. This is a really nice socket set for the high torque impact wrench. And then you got the high torque impact wrench brushless. It is not the fuel. Keep that in mind. All right, so they got any of these for $19.97. They got the rafter square, the 4.5 and the 7-inch. They got the fastback. My favorite to use, the fastbacks. You're saving about $5 on these, so definitely stock up on these while you can. A little bit more than $5, I would say. You got the 22-ounce hammer. All right, so yes, onto the buy one get one free. Basically the gift center deals. $349 for the finished nailer, or yeah, an angled finished nailer. You got 3 batteries, including a 12-amp-hour battery for $299 and 2 3s. $199 for the 6-amp-hour battery, and you got a power supply. I do have that power supply. It works really well, so definitely check that out. All right, so onto the buy one get one free. This you got the $5.99 will get you 2 free tools. You get $3.99 will get you 1 free tool, and I'll give you guys a hint right now for that $3.99. $2.99 includes an 8-amp-hour and 6-amp-hour battery, high output battery, get you 1 free tool. And then when you got the cheapest, which is the $199 2 5-amp-hour battery starter kit, get a free tool, guys. So definitely a lot to choose from there. There's a lot of good stuff. I know there's a lot of you that keep saying, that you guys have other tools. Well, you do, but your batteries, keep in mind your batteries are getting old. So stock up on batteries, guys. That 8-amp-hour and 6-amp-hour for $299. If you guys hack that, you know, return that tool, a free tool, or you just keep the tool, that's gonna go down to, I believe, $180 for an 8-amp-hour and a 6-amp-hour battery. And you guys are gonna have fresh batteries, because your older batteries are, you know, going out the door. Basically, your 3-year, 5-year older batteries. But these are gonna be fresh, brand new batteries for you guys, and that's one way of keeping your lineup. So, all right, let's look at the bottom here. What it looks like on the bottom. This one's caged up because it's ghetto here, basically. All right, so they got a bunch of tools getting stolen. They got the $199 starter kit there to the right, and then you got the battery, the 8-amp-hour and 6-amp-hour battery for $299. Get a free tool. Same thing with this one. So 2-tool combo kit with the new Gen 4s, $379, guys. $379. So if you guys run to your store and get this for $379, this is gonna be cheaper because it says $399 up above on the deal. But if you guys tell them or take a picture of this, it says $379 with the 2 free tools. Jump on it. If you need it, get it. If not, then obviously don't get it. But you got a 4-tool combo kit, drill driver, impact driver, oscillating tool, a light for $599. Get 2 free tools with that one. So that is the one with the 2 free tools. All right, talking about the free tools, you got the angle grinder valued at $199. You got the rubber lights. I can't see the price on the rubber light there. And then we have we got the one-handed reciprocating saw there to the right. You got the jigsaw there valued at $199. The reciprocating saw is valued at $169. You got the surge impact driver there for $169. You got impact driver driller. Now those are not free tools. Those are just sales that they got going on with those. They got the blower there. You guys could choose for free, and also the radio, valued at $179. Circular saw. You got the inflator, guys. That's one of the newer tools. I do have that personally. The router, the oscillating tool there, valued at $189. Obviously, try to choose the $199, $179 tools. Those are gonna be the best bang for your buck, the most out of your $200 basically. All right, so they got this the smaller bit set there for $14.97. Was $15.97, so they, a dollar off on that one. But yeah, they got the inflator there that I was telling you guys about. That thing's a beast. And router oscillating tool there to the right. So the oscillating tool is not the best deal to get with this because it is actually cheaper. And then you got the same thing with the circular saw. Then you got the 3 battery set there. It does include a 12 amp hour battery and 2 3 amp hour high output batteries for $299. I personally think the other hack is much better. If you're okay with an 8 amp hour and a 6 amp hour battery. So definitely check those out. You got the 6 amp hour battery with the power source. And then you got the 5 amp hour battery by itself and 2 3s, I believe. You got a reciprocating saw blade set there plus 9 free tools, or 9 free blades, my bad, $19.97. Got a rubber light for $79, a hacksaw, a 2-gallon wet and dry vacuum. That is not the pack out. The pack out is up front. You got the Rondem Orbit sander, a rubber light, a reciprocating saw, paddle switch angle grinder, and the 5 amp hour battery starter kit for $149. So definitely check these out. I don't think these are the best deals. I think the best deals are the ones buy one get one frees. Those are probably the best deals you guys could get, even cheaper than these sometimes. And most of them are fuel brushless tools. All right, so on to some shockwaves here. Red Helix 23-piece titanium for $29.97. 2-pack of 3 amp hour batteries for $99. We did see that up there. And then we got the brand new impact driver and drill driver. Those are brushless, the subcompact. Alright, so this is a 23-piece Red Helix. Got the couple 3 amp hour batteries there, and we got the brand new impact driver and drill driver. These are subcompact or compact series brushless. Like I said, these are newer tools. If you guys buy both, this is our $189. It does include 2 batteries to charge in a case or a bag. If you guys buy them by themselves, you're gonna get 1 battery, the tool, charger, and a bag. So definitely save some money, and you obviously buy unless you really need the charge. If you guys don't need 2 chargers, then buy both of the tools separately. So you guys could get an extra charger there for like $20 more. All right, so onto the tumblers. I do personally have both of these. These things are a beast. They hold them. Put some ice there on the summer. It'll hold it for all day basically. You got $329 for the framing nailer. I do have this thing. This thing's a beast. It is very powerful. However, it is heavy. So if you're going to be using that all day, good luck. If you're going to be using it for a small project, maybe an addition to a house, why not? Pretty good. All right, or putting up a wall. You got $29.88 for the 2-pack of pen lights or the headlamps. Onto some socket sets. Really nice socket sets. I really like what Milwaukee's doing with these. They are square driven, or square shaped. You got $69.99. So these are the smaller kits there, and you guys see that they are square. So you guys are able to put some more leverage on those, put an adjustable wrench or something like that. All right, you got some more M12 tools. You got it looks like a crown stapler, oscillating tool, a right angle drill, and then you got a 3-pack of batteries. Obviously 2 bigger and 1 smaller. Oscillating tool. All right, here are the prices. So for the 3-pack of batteries, there's $199. Crown stapler's $139. Soldering iron. I would definitely wait on these guys. Tell you the truth, wait on the hacks. Sometimes they are cheaper than this. Sometimes all these tools are included at the $139 starter kit with the free tool. So wait on these. Not necessarily the best deals. If you need them, guys, pick them up, obviously. But if you guys can wait for a buy one get one free on these. The ones to get right now are the ones that are up there in the big section. So guys, that's it for this holiday deal. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments. Which tool would you want to get? Which tool do you have? Or how much did you pay for it? So I know a lot of us got them for really, really low prices in the past few years. And somehow these prices keep going up as the years go. So anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.